Hi friends, welcome back. I'm Annalyn and we are at Nadia's Kitchen. Today we will be making some coconut flan and these are all our ingredients. Coconut milk, sweetened condensed milk, 4 eggs and
8 ounces of cream cheese.
And for our caramel, I'll use 1 cup of sugar, half a cup of water and a small saucepan.
Let your sugar cook until it's golden brown. While the sugar is caramelizing, let's blend all our remaining ingredients. We'll use hot water to steam our flan and put 350 degrees temperature for the oven for 1.5 hours. Or you can use a fork and when it comes out clean, then the flan is ready. Cover the flan for 1 hour and then leave it open for 30 minutes.
Now that our flan is ready, we are gonna flip them and we cook this one for 1 hour and 30 minutes and depending on your oven. It's really delicious. Thank you so much for watching. And I hope you enjoy our recipe today. See you next time. Kain na! Coconut, okay. You can cut that out.